This is a 2-marker and only a third of students got this correct according to examiner reports. All you had to do was match it up. That's madness. But before I just want to remind you, we are doing a 10-hour exam masterclass and it's only 59 quid. So you want to sign up, the link is in the bio, okay? So that's if you're stressed about how to revise for exams, how to prepare for the exams, what are those key knowledge, the key things you need to know. So how to do this? You were told, and you were rightly told by all your teachers, you do not need to memorize dates, okay? You didn't need to know the order of the dates. You just need to know the order of the models that were discovered, okay? And that's why a lot of people got confused. A lot of people saw this question and thought, oh my goodness, my teacher told me not to learn the dates. You didn't need to learn the dates. All you need to see was this is a first date, right? Second date, third date, right? We're getting later in time. So it's basically just asking you which was the first discovery, which was the second thing discovered, what was the third thing discovered, okay? And we know the first model that we had was the plum-pudding model, okay? So the plum-pudding model was the one that told us that we have this positive charged sphere and we said that we have these negative electrons embedded within. Okay, so we knew about electrons first. So the first thing we knew about was our electrons. Okay, then what we said was that this model wasn't correct. What we did was we fired an alpha particle at it and we saw that there must have been a nucleus, right? This really dense point where the mass was really concentrated that caused those alpha particles to be deflected. So the next thing we saw was the nucleus. Okay, then later in time, we discovered that inside the nucleus that it was positively charged because of these protons. And then later in time, we discovered the neutron.